Sarah, I'm so nervous. What if I mess something up?
Relax, David. It's just an airport, not a rocket launch.
Easy for you to say. You've traveled a lot.
True, but trust me, it's simple. Just follow the signs and ask if you're confused.
Okay, but what's the first step?
Step 1, check in. You need your ticket and passport. Do you have them?
Yes, I double-checked. But what do I say at the counter?
Just say, "Hi, I have a flight to New York. Here is my ticket and passport." Easy, right?
Sounds easy. What if they ask me a question?
They might ask, "Do you have any luggage to check in?" Just say yes or no.
Oh, I see. What happens after that?
They'll give you a boarding pass. Keep it safe, it's your key to the plane.
All right. What's next?
Security check. This is where people panic, but don't worry.
Why panic? What happens there?
You put your bag and small things like your phone or wallet in a tray. Then you walk through a scanner. That's it.
What if it beeps?
Then they'll check you, but it's nothing to worry about.
Okay. What about the gate?
After security, you find your gate. The gate number is on your boarding pass.
What if I can't find it?
Look at the signs or ask someone, "Excuse me, where is gate B12?
You make it sound so easy.
That's because it is easy, David. Just stay calm and ask for help if needed.
Thanks, Sarah. I feel a little better now.
You're welcome. Soon, you'll be a travel expert like me.
Haha, let's see about that.